Hello, today I'm going to give you a brief introduction on our ramp and soak controller. Now, to make things easier, I've set up a little demonstration kit to help you guys understand better. Now, here's what I got with my kits, and this is the antenna. The antenna will be, the antenna has been connected to the controller from the back of the controller, and this is the controller itself. And over here I have my personal computer PC, and down here it's my iPhone, and over here it's a signal generator which simulates the thermocouple input signal. And this is pretty much all I got here. So there is PC, the controller, the cell phone, and antenna, and a signal generator. Now before we get into the details, I just want to quickly go through some of key features of this controller. I have them printed on an A4 paper, so here it is. So it is a touch screen ramp and soak controller with cell phone and PC access. The programming is much easier than the conventional ramp and soak controller, which is pretty demanding when it comes down to programming. So imagine you're using a cell phone, and that's how easy it can be. And we call this product a turnkey products for ovens or furnace or experimental ovens. Basically any aggregation where you need a precision control on temperature over a period of time. So you need precision control on both temperature and time, and this could be a perfect solution. And this controller comes with 6 recipes, or you can call it patents or programs, depends on which part of the world you're coming from. And each recipe with maximum 12 segments. We can also do more segments if you want. For example, you want a 20 segments, you want a 30 segments, that is possible. You can drop us an email or let us know. And for the inputs, this controller works with thermocouple inputs by default. And some of customer may need RTD inputs such as PT100, which is also possible. If you need RTD inputs, and that would be a custom-made item. The outputs comes with several options like relay, SSR Drive, and analog output 4 to 20 milliamps. Now, remotely access from cell phone PC is a really useful feature because you can have your oven at the factory floor, then you can go home and you can do whatever you want. I mean, away from the oven, you can still have the you can still monitor the status of your oven from far away, as long as you have the internet connections, and multiple persons can have access at the same time. And data logging is something really makes difference on this controller. You can download the data to your PC or your cell phone if you want. So typically the data will be recorded is process value and setting value and alarm function, alarm information. I just want to give you a quick look on the data. So there it is. I'm gonna turn my camera over here. Let's go to the data section. So this is the data has been recorded. There is the P process value, there's the setting value, and the highest temperature of the current recipe. You can also see this is the curve information. If you click on any part of the charts, you can see the process value and maximum temperature of the recipe, as well as the time stamp. Okay. The measuring display of this controller can be either in Celsius or Fahrenheit, and this controller is also a PID control with auto tuning function. Now, before we move to the next segment, I would like to emphasize the safety feature of this controller, because safety is really important for any automation application. So this device comes with two critical safety features. One of them is over temperature alarm. The entire system can be shut down if over temperature alarm happens. Now imagine if you have an over temperature alarm situation, it often indicates that there's something wrong with the system. And when that happens, the power can be shut down immediately, and you get the message pushed to the app on your cell phone when over temperature alarm occurs. Another scenario would be a thermocouple break. When a thermocouple break, the alarm will be triggered as well, and heating process will be terminated right away. So these are very good feature to safeguard your process. Okay, so